Hey everyone, welcome back to the motherfreaking channel. So in this video, I have a new polygel kit to try out for you guys. This is from a brand that I've never used before. Their name is GELLEN or GELLEN. But this is what the polygel kit looks like. It's a glow in the dark polygel kit. And I actually really liked it. They give you two different files. This one's like a buffing block. 180 grit, and I like that it had a very crisp edge, so you could even refine your sidewalls with this. It was that like hard, so it's kind of like spongy but not too spongy. It has kind of like a hardness to it. So that's what this one looks like. And then you get a normal 100-180 hand file, and that hand file was really good as well. Usually in polygel kits you don't get super nice files, but these were actually really good. And I could use them more than once. These are washable, reusable. So that was nice. You also get a polygel brush. I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like. Base coat and top coat, some alcohol wipes, which I really love, and some curved, short, like medium length dual forms. And then I will swatch all the colors for you guys on screen, and then we will get into the design.
The festival that we met at, where you were just a face in a crowd, and now I can't imagine me with anybody else. As we close out the night underneath the lilac sky, summer high, met you in August, New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November, you and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind, as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
So this is what all the colors look like in person, and on screen I'm gonna put what the glow colors are because I totally forgot to get the glow. But yeah, everything came out exactly as pictured. At the end result, you will see how the nails look when they're glowing, and I used every single color. So I'm doing a refill on my friend's nails. I had to replace a couple of nails, and then for the refill nails, I'm just gonna go in with the primer right at the new growth, and then take the base coat from the kit and go over the new growth area and cure that. For the nails that are already like brand new, I use the DIY gel from Couture, as well as the Sculpture Square Nails, since that is what she had last time.
As long as it's for you.
And I'm going to show you how I replaced her Sculpture Square Nails here. I just put a little bit of DIY gel inside of the nail and then popped it on and let that cure on. Links for everything that I use in my videos will be at femifines.com. Just go down to the description box and click the link, and I will have links for everything you see here on screen. But yeah, I just put that DIY gel in like the back end of her nail, put it on, turn on my little lamp, my flower table lamp, and then it quickly flash cures, especially when the product is clear. It's super easy. So this design was very freestyle. Not a lot to say about it. Some of the nails are solid, and some of the nails have like some designs and swirls and glitter. I even put some stickers in the nail, some Fimo, and then I cap it all later with bubblegum gel clear from Eno. If you guys have any questions about the process or anything, let me know. The slip that I'm using is actually from Eno. It's like, I think it's called nail liquid or something, but it smells like bubblegum. It's my favorite. It's so good. It doesn't cause any leaching. This product applied extremely well, so I highly recommend this kit if you guys are interested. And it's super cute. The colors are really nice. Everything laid very well.
flashing by it before you die. Are you gonna take it? All the time you wasted, acting dumb and getting faded. Grains of sand in an hourglass. Time slips away so fast. A second hand ticks away. Whispered promises straight to my heart. I'd never noticed, but you were never there, you were never there. Hey, you gave me roses, set me apart. All I felt was bliss, but you were never there, you were never. I want us to be what we used to be this night. Baby, just another fight, but you don't wanna see me cry. There is no way that it's never going there. I think it better and I swear I'll follow you no matter where. Think you better run, I swear. Follow you no matter where. Think you better run, I swear. Follow you no matter where. Down in empty streets, looking for joy. I don't wanna admit I'm better on my own, better on my own. You say we're not meant for each other. I'm not sure of this. I won't give up on this, I won't give up. Cause I don't wanna behave like the wanna flee, like the wanna leave. I never surrender, but ever remember my lover. Did you give up on me? Have you never learned to listen? Sorry, I will never be. Even in your dreams, the one you wanna see. Think it better go someplace I don't know, cause I got your picture on my mind. I want us to be what we used to be this night. Baby, just another fight.
So here I am capping. I'm really sorry about the autofocus in this video. A lot of things are kind of blurred out, which sucks, but yeah. I'm just using the bubblegum gel and clear to cap the nails that have like the glassy tips and stuff. The other nails, I just put 2 layers of base coat gel on top of them. Since they had like glitter pressed into the polygel, I didn't really feel the need to cap it. I just went on top of it with base coat. And I'm also using that nail liquid from E-Nail with the bubblegum gel as well. And it works so well for capping, you guys. No bubbles, no weird chalky marks or anything.
Where you look, where you touch, where you feel, yeah.
so now I'm just getting started with the filing, and I did most of the filing off screen. I just wanted to show you guys how I kind of get the rough shape with the flat sanding disc from Zule's. Then I went in with those hand files from the Polygel kit and did the rest of the buffing, and that was it.
Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you?
Now I'm gonna put some final stickers. I just wanted it to look really busy, really fun, funky, eclectic, whatever you want to call it. I don't know either. But they're so cute. I love how they came out. Putting these stickers on, this is actually an eyelash tool, and it works the best to me for stickers because they're so pointy, the eyelash tweezers, and they have like this curve to them. These stickers I'm using are all from AliExpress. I'll have those linked on the blog, of course. I'm going to be putting on a couple of stones using the Nail Couture Gummy Jelly, my favorite, and then we'll top coat after that.
Star tonight, you fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side. Have me by your side when the sun sets. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love, it keeps me high. Be your star tonight. You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side. Have me by your side when the sun sets. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love, it keeps me high.
Left
Alright you guys, this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please let me know down below. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys all so much. Hope you guys have an amazing day or night wherever you are. Once again, everything you need to know will be down below, linked on the blog. See you guys in the next one. Love you so much. Bye.
10 seconds. Stabilizing. Hibernation activated.